Hey, this is Rob Vinny and this is Ricky right here. Ricky, man, are you awesome or what, brother? Yeah, he's awesome. Hey, we just got done with a gutter shutter project out here in Ellabell, Georgia, right? Ellabell?
Yeah.
Right on the river, people. I mean, this is a beautiful property, but look at this. Look at this gutter shutter project right here. We've got full gutter shutter drainage here. We've got gutter shutter above this awning that was already pre-existing. They're gonna be doing something with that later, but it's on there, it's on the other side. They got gutters right over here with another downspout and on the back of the house. So take a look at this, you know, downspout coming down. They chose what we call dove gray. And you know, gutter shutter looks like almost like a crown molding on a house. It's a beautiful, beautiful finish. When you look at that, it's not just some open, cheesy gutter. It is a covered gutter system. Never gonna have to clean the gutter again. They got different levels of gutter here and here that drop down. The downspout comes down here and then it's gonna shoot out this way. But imagine how much water would have come off of that roof and damaged, say, the porches or the steps. They don't ever have to worry about that again. It's all done. Great system. Have a great day. Low Country Foundation Repair.